Sniff. Yeah, take cruelty. I wonder if this affects you guys too. Because I have something that vulnerable enemies take an additional 50% damage. I don't know if that works on you guys as well, or if it's just on me.
I think it's just on you, because it's a relic.
Oh, it's not a relic. It's a power.
Oh. Then I don't know.
Smith. Upgrade my strength, dude.
Oh, we have some hard choices to make.
Yeah. What did you guys upgrade?
It's a strike. What the hell is this, bro? Holy Jesus.
Oh my god. Oh, this guy. Yeah, he's really annoying. Be prepared for all the debuffs we're gonna get.
I can poison on him right now.
Taking a strength away.
I'm chewing.
Well, I can throw this at someone.
Draw one fewer card or take 6 damage.
He even says make your choice the same devilish way that fucking Libra Demon does.
That's so shit. Libra Demon.
Does he not say that? He's like, make your choice. Yeah, doom him.
Give him that doom.
When you get to 15 health, you're done, kid.
Yeah.
20.
27.
That's pretty sick. Doom's funny.
Nice, I chose the right one. Oh, the vulnerable. No, I don't know, man. Give me that good strength.
That solves that.
Go get him.
Our damage isn't bad.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not doing anything, but you guys got this.
I'm not doing anything either.
Wait, what is all this stuff on him?
He's gonna heal up a little bit and then make us choose another.
I guess these like other symbols on him. Yeah, I don't know
Yeah,
what this is.
that's his. He's casting a spell. Those are his lion signs.
Oh,
His jutsus.
He's
take a
casting
look
a
now, take it
jutsu
easy,
to
man.
make you have one less card in your hand.
Oh, yeah?
how do I do this?
You don't remember that? When Kakashi was fighting Zabuza and he was like, you can only play 3 cards per turn now?
Yeah, then he activated his trap card.
You can only play 3 cards per turn now or take 6 damage at the end of your turn. What'll it be?
Oh, I think your room closed.
It did. I had to restart Steam.
Oh.